RongFu was founded in 1976 and is a factory for making milling drilling machines and metal cutting bandsaws. Our products are sold to dozens of countries in the world, accounting for more than half of the gross output of Taiwan's milling drilling machine and metal cutting bandsaw market and overseas market. Due to superior quality, in 2004 and 2005, RongFu cooperated with the biggest Italian sawing machine company and the biggest Spanish drilling machine company in ODM. In order to expand the market and increase productivity, we established a factory in Qingdao in 2002. Our product line ranges from portable machines to medium and large-size machines and semi-automatic machines. With our diversified products, we can meet different customer demands easily. RongFu has complete and consistent technologies. All processes from R&D, casting, milling and drilling, assembly to machining are strictly inspected by our quality control staff. Therefore, our products are well known for their high-quality standard. Since its foundation, RongFu has obtained many domestic and overseas invention patents, Golden Dragon Award, Little Giant Award, and Excellence Award, and has passed many certifications like CSA, UL, ISO 9002, ISO 9001, and CE. Our powerful strength and excellent techniques are praised and affirmed by customers throughout the world. Main products: milling drilling machines, radial drilling machines, metal cutting band saws, circular saws, and single-purpose machines. These products are sold to more than 60 countries in the world. In order to make us widely known by customers, we take an active part in international shows to enhance our image. Since its foundation, RongFu has been updating technologies, creating product added value, educating and training staff, importing new technologies and knowledge from Europe, the USA, and Japan. In 2006, we imported ERP system software to strengthen our operating and management capability. In addition to expanding the domestic market, we will look at the mainland China market. We will strive to ensure that RongFu develops sustainably.